this video, I'll be doing a step-by-step tutorial showing you how to remove dip powder nails. Before we begin, find yourself some time, patience, and a comfortable space. You will need a towel you don't care about, a bowl and a plastic bag, cotton balls, foil, nail caps. Either are optional depending on what you have. ONYX Professional Soak Off Remover. Nail filer, you want a gritty nail file, and the mini 4-way buffer. A cuticle pusher, nail clippers, any cuticle oil. I'm using California Mango Magic. Let's start. You can either start with clipping your nails at the length desired like I did, or if you don't want to lose your nail length, file down the shiny top coat first. It's your choice. This nail clipper wasn't strong enough for the dip, so I grabbed my scissors and it did a great job. I actually prefer scissors now because it gives a straight, sharp cut. I found it easier to cut my nails reversed because in this way I had control over the length I desired. Keep in mind, this video is fast-paced. Now file down the shiny top coat in a back and forth side-to-side motion until it gets white and dusty. This will help the acetone penetrate and dissolve the powder. I'm using the file side on this mini buffer, but I didn't find it as effective as my other filer, so I suggest using a really coarse nail file. Pour hot water in the bowl and add a generous amount of acetone in the bag. I had to let my hands soak in there for 5 minutes first. Then I soaked the cotton balls and realized I needed to cut them in half so it can fit inside the cap. If you have large cotton balls, pull them apart in halves in advance. Place the acetone-soaked cotton ball on top of your nail and cover it with the cap. This is where the nail caps and foil become optional. If you don't have the finger caps, you can substitute it for the foil or whichever you have in hand. You would just wrap the foil around the acetone-soaked cotton ball and let it sit. If you're out of both options, keep your nails in the acetone bag. Just be sure to place a towel over your hands and the bowl so the water stays hot. That way it speeds up the process. Set your timer for 15 to 20 minutes. In the meantime, find something to keep you entertained. Remove the nail caps, and with the cuticle pusher, push down the powder. It will look like a gunk of glue when removing it. Please don't be discouraged if you couldn't get it all out in the first try. Simply go back and repeat the exact process. Filing down the powder and soaking your nails using this exact product, ONYX Professional Soak Off Remover, is key. Make sure to give each nail a good dusty file. Set the timer for 10 more minutes and it should come off easily with the cuticle pusher. Repeating it once more should do the trick. It actually took me 2 tries to remove it all. Soak in the acetone for a minute. You can see there's still some powder left on my nails. Soak the cotton balls in acetone, lay it on top of your nail and slide it in the cap. Wait 10-15 minutes and remove the nail cap one at a time as removing the residue with the cuticle pusher, just in case others need more time. Once you're done removing the powder, clip and file your nails. Super shine your nails with a nail shine buffer. And there you go, one hand down and one more to go. It'll be tricky doing this with your left hand, so if you're a righty or vice versa, it could be done, so hang in there. Guys, I didn't realize my hands were not exactly in the video. Sorry about that. So again, file the powder down. You want to make it all dusty. In a hot bowl of water, soak your hand in the back for a minute. Move your fingers around to help penetrate the process. Then with acetone-soaked cotton balls, sit it on top of your nail bed and slide inside the cap, or wrap with foil if that's what you're doing, or just let your fingers soak inside the bag. After 15 to 20 minutes, remove the cap, work on each nail one at a time instead of removing all caps at the same time, and start pushing down the powder with the cuticle pusher. I didn't clip my nails first this time because I wanted to see if I would have been able to retain my nail shape, and I did. And I'm learning just like you, so next time we'll know and we'll be better experienced with removing dip powder ourselves. Of course, I'm not surprised I wasn't able to get all the powder off on the first round, so currently on the second round of this process. And I'm sorry about my camera going out of focus. And again, repeating everything we just did. File down the powder. Acetone-soaked cotton balls on your nail. 15 minutes of it being soaked in this powerful gel formula remover. Push down the powder with cuticle pusher. Clip nails and file. Shine your nails with whatever shine buffer you may have. And voila! My nail bed, as you can see, it's not perfect because of the powder and rubbing it off with the cuticle pusher, but we did it! If you'd like, polish your nails with this Sally Hansen Color Therapy. It's an argan oil formula and it's just a top coat in 001. Now this is the cherry on top. Apply cuticle oil. I'm using California Mango Magic cuticle oil. It smells amazing and it's the best. Give your hands a little massage and there you have it. A clean, fresh, healthy looking nails. Remember guys, to give your nails a breather. Let me know if this was helpful to you in the comments below, and thank you for watching.